Hi, this is Dheeraj Jain, Chief Revenue Officer at JetFerry.ai. Let me share something with you. Pursuing a sales target is like lunging from a plane. It is often a long way down, exciting, challenging, with constant course correction in the drop to the final target. But along the way, there are many factors that could make your targeted sales push from a planned drop into a great fall. The sluggish sales performance of the dealer network, a mismatch between sales inquiry, volume, customer demand, and sales, followed by low dealer engagement and loyalty. Only top products being pushed, others often deferred or worse, ignored, all because of a dreadful forecasting efficiency. While you lose secondary sales opportunities, and forget about underutilized sales incentive schemes, and the free fall to nowhere begins. Is there a backup? Can you float again? What if you can fix this without changing your existing processes, without a learning curve, with simplified and accurate sales push task prioritization for a region, both on micro and macro levels, with multiple reports, laser-sharp action lists for all stakeholders, distributors, and in-field personnel, and providing a win-win value proposition of increasing your sales by 1% in just 4 to 6 weeks, or your money back. BizMagnet can do this for you across all your hundreds of products, across thousands of your dealers, across all your sales regions. Want to fix it now? Talk to us.